In this video, I'm going to show you how canvas wedges work and how do I use them. Canvas wedges, sometimes also called canvas keys, are these little wooden strips that come with your canvas. They're usually stapled on the back of your canvas and they come in different shapes and sizes. The purpose of the canvas wedges is to give your stretched canvas a little extra tightness. Here we have a regular stretched cotton canvas. It's made of two parts. You have the support frame that is made from 4 stretcher bars, and then you have the canvas. Now if we remove the canvas from this is what remains. The way the canvas wedges work is that they expand the stretcher bar frame slightly and thus tightening the canvas that's attached to the frame. Here in the corner you can see a tiny gap in the joint between the 2 stretcher bars. You can also see the slots for the canvas wedges. This is how it looks with the canvas on top. So here's the joint and here are the slots for the canvas wedges. As we insert the canvas wedges into place and tap them in, that expands the frame and pushes the stretcher bars a bit further back and thus expands the gap over here. The movement is only a few millimeters, but that's enough to tighten the canvas and prevent it from being baggy and loose. Now how to use the canvas wedges. We start by placing them on all 4 corners. I place them the long side parallel to the stretcher bar like this. And then for the other one. And then we repeat the process for all 4 corners. And next, we'll gently tap them in with a hammer. And try to apply the same amount of force on all 4 corners so that the pressure is divided equally across the canvas. And remember to tap the canvas wedges in gently and not use too much force or this happens. And now the stretcher bars are ruined. Now if your canvas didn't come with canvas wedges, do not worry. Although they're a nice thing to add if they're included, they're not absolutely necessary. There are a lot of brand and regional differences in whether a canvas comes with canvas wedges. I hope you found this short tutorial on how to use canvas wedges helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments and I'm happy to help. Thank you for watching.